Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you the use of RoundUp formula. So here, I'll type RoundUp formula. So you can see the uses of RoundUp formula. There's the cells where formula is already applied. I'll remove the formula, value here, which is already mentioned. I'll type here is equal to RoundUp in bracket A3. I can manually type or I can select the range value, value of the cell K3 and 2 is the decimal value. Now decimal places are shown here. You can see enter and now you can see formula is this. So round up formula is, you can see in K3 column, cell 33.87858, the value of round up. When I applied round up formula, you can see 33.88 is the round up value, right? I apply all the this formula in all the cells so that all the cell values can be changed easily. You can see here. I hope you understood the use of roundup and how to apply this formula. And if you like my videos, if you like my channels, everything, like, because I have made so many videos regarding the EXL. In EXL, I have taught you so many formulas, and apart from EXL, I have taught you some technical and digital things also. You can go to my channel, you can see all of those videos which I have already uploaded. And if you find it right place to learn, then obviously you can share in your friend circle and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.